Hello and welcome to the tutorial showing you how to use the SGI Guided Work Period spreadsheet. Over on the first tab that we're looking at now, that will open up when you go follow the link in the newsletter, you'll see the names of the sessions, the times that the sessions will be taught, and the room that the session will be in, as well as the student number, the number of students in each session. So you should just scroll, find your session, check what time you're teaching, where you're teaching, and how many kids you have. Please do not change any of the filters or information you see on this page. The second tab is very important as well. The Student Rosters tab has now been updated with the first 3 days worth of attendance. I'll be updating this section with the different dates each week, but if we all take attendance in this same page, I'll be able to quickly see who's missing and follow up with them so that they aren't skipping or confused about where they're supposed to go. So when you're taking attendance, please only mark if a student is absent by writing absent. If a student is present, you don't have to write that they're present, just write absent, that's it. And please make sure you're entering that in the right day. Please don't change anyone else's information. You will have to scroll down till you find your name in the spreadsheet. And that's where you'll take your attendance. So if I'm Miss Jameson and Miss Snodgrass, I would be taking my attendance here for the first day, the second day, and the third day. Please take attendance each day of guided work period. Again, please do not change any of the filtering on this page, please do not change any of the information. If you make a mistake and change the information and you can't figure out how to change it back, please send me an email and I'll change that right away. Thanks so much. I also recommend that you bookmark this page, this spreadsheet, so you can quickly get to it using your bookmarks bar. And that is all. So please email me if you have questions. Thanks so much.